What's up fans, Raju here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this brand new video, how to share ClickBank links for free. That means I am going to show you how you can make ClickBank sales and earn ClickBank commissions. It's a simple copy paste method. After watching this tutorial, you can simply apply this method and you can earn ClickBank commissions. Okay, you see here, it's my ClickBank Paychex. All of my earning ClickBank commissions here. Okay guys, if you are seriously interested in ClickBank affiliate marketing, then complete this tutorial. I will show you step by step everything. Okay, but first thing is first. If you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new exciting updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you really interested and if you are a newbie, then you can check my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Okay guys, let's see the best part of this method. If you apply this method, you must get result. Now see the best part of this method. You can promote ClickBank products today. If you are a beginner, if you don't have any traffic opportunities, then after watching this tutorial, you can promote this ClickBank products from today. And it's a simple copy paste method. Just complete my tutorial, then just follow what I do inside this tutorial. That's it. And yet it's totally a copy paste method. You don't need to make any videos, don't need to make any content, don't need to make any images, any blog post, no reviews. Just simply copy and paste and share your affiliate link for 100% free. And you can make 50 plus per day just for free. And you can generate targeted free traffic. You can promote any other niche, any other product software for any other affiliate networks. You can use Warrior Plus, JV2, DKS Store, any other marketplaces here. And you just need to spend 20 minutes to complete this task. I will show you how I do it. And you don't need any coding skills, marketing skills, any working skills. Okay, it's totally beginner friendly. And you don't need to create any kind of content. That means no blog post, no videos, no images. Just simply a different way to generate 100% free targeted traffic. Okay, so guys, that's all the best part if you apply this method. I am Raju Bhadro, an affiliate marketer of ClickBank, JPG, and many other high-ticket programs, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. And today, I will show you how I share ClickBank affiliate links for free. So guys, let's start and follow all the tutorial step by step. Okay. So if you want to promote any ClickBank products, then you have to create your ClickBank account first, and it's so easy and simple. After creating your ClickBank account, visit the ClickBank marketplace. Okay, you have to choose the products, you have to choose your offers to promote your affiliate links and make sales. And you see here all the categories inside ClickBank. You can choose any of the categories, but for this specific method, I recommend you to promote health and fitness products. And for this reason, if you don't have any ClickBank account, you can use DGS Store, you can use Market Health. Okay, let's set market. You see here Market Health, health and beauty affiliate program by markethealth.com. You can sign up here, create account here, and just simply promote your health and fitness and beauty related products easily. Or you can create account on dgsstore24.com. You see here it's DGS Store 24. clickbank.com. Just register here and you can get a lot of health and fitness products here as like as Clickbank. Okay, so don't worry, if you don't have any Clickbank account, you can use this affiliate network for promoting your health and fitness products. Okay, now visit the health and fitness categories here. Health and fitness categories. You see a lot of products here, but in the case of choosing Clickbank products, you have to focus on the gravity score. Gravity score means how much affiliate makes sales this product, and if this you see here, this gravity score is so high, so you can easily choose this product, you can easily promote this product. It's a nice amazing product to promote because it says the gravity score is high. You can choose any other product. You have to choose the gravity score. If you see gravity score is over 100, that means it's qualified for promoting. Okay, and you see here it's another product. Here is 275 gravity score. So you can choose any of this product according to your category. That means if you want to choose health and fitness related, if you want to promote health and fitness, then just for find out the weight loss related products. Okay, then you can promote beauty related product, you can promote bodybuilding related products, and you will get everything inside this health and fitness categories. Even you can search here beauty. Okay, you see here all the beauty products. Okay, now I have to choose any of the product. Okay, you can choose any of the, you can choose custom keto diet. Okay, now I want to promote this offer. After creating any of the affiliate networks account, you can get all the products like this. After getting your products, you have to generate traffic. Okay, and I will show you how I share my Clickbank affiliate links for free, and you have to follow all the steps. Then you can also share your Clickbank affiliate links and you can make Clickbank sales. Okay, now see here the click the promote button. Click the promote button to get your affiliate link. You see here your you can generate your affiliate link. You see you have to promote this link. It's an ugly link. You can short your URL. Okay, using tiny URL, or you can use any other URL shortener. Just paste your link here, make tiny URL, and it's your URL. Just copy it and you have to share this URL, and I will show you how you can share this URL for free. If you like this video and if you think this video helps you to promote your Clickbank products or any other affiliate networks product, then like this video. If you have any question, if you don't face if you don't understand anything, or if you face any problem, then comment in the comment box. I will solve your problems. Okay, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. A lot of money making opportunities here. You can check my YouTube channel, and if you uh, if you are frustrated to subscribe my YouTube channel, I can, you never. Okay. Now you have to share this affiliate URL for free, and I will show you how you can get free traffic. Okay. Now visit this website class.org. Okay, class.org. Over 300 million people visit inside this class.org website per month, and 85% of American people. Okay, so if you want to get USA traffic, USA targeted traffic, then I recommend you to share your link inside this website. Now you can say, I don't know how to share my affiliate links inside this website. I will show you how you can do it. At the first, you have to create your account inside Class.org. Okay, and it's so much easy and simple. Just put your email ID. Okay, I will show you how you can. I have to log out it. You see here, you get this page. Okay, then click the login option. Okay, now create your account. Okay, click this, create your account, put your email ID, and after putting your email ID, they send a 5-digit code into your email. Just put this code and start your journey. Okay, now I have to log in into my. Okay, I have forget my uh, mm, password. Okay, no problem. I am creating this account right now. Okay, there is no problem. See here how I can create my account and how I make post inside this Clock.org. Okay, create my account. You see here a 5-digit code. Check your email address like this. Okay, you see here, here is the 5-digit email code from. Just copy this code, paste this code, and continue. You can put your user name. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can put here, then continue. You see here, it's your profile, and you can put your location, obviously, and USA location, any of the location. Okay, okay, New York, then upgrade. Okay, now you have to make post here. Just simply post ads. At the first, you have to put your title. You can add any pictures if you have any pictures. Okay, then description, and inside the description you can put your affiliate link, and here is one tricks, and I will show you. And then the price of the product. Okay, and location, and auto detect category. It's for sale, and I will show you everything. Okay, now at the first you have to put your title, and for this you have to visit the affiliate page. Okay, go the affiliate page and you will get all the info about this product. You see here, here is the affiliate page. I don't I have to put my. You can get the affiliate info about this product. You see all the banners here. You can see any social media package here, everything, landing page. Okay, now I just save this image, to use this image. Okay, okay, save this image. And if I check the sales page, then copy the link. You see here, regular keto diet. Okay, it's the best option if you choose the email swipe. Okay, just download the email swipe. Okay, and you can use the best title, you can use the best description, and every product you can get this email swipe like this. Okay, now I will open the email swipe for you for making post here. Okay, and some products you get the sales page, written sales page, then you can get the IKC options, IKC title, IKC description from the sales page. Okay, and when you don't get the written sales page, then you can use this way. Okay, okay, you can use any of the title here. 8 science pack benefit to of going keto. Okay, you can use the reference, everything, proof you can quickly transfer your body, proof you can transform your body fast. Okay, I can use this title. Fine, put your title. Now set the description. Okay, okay, just copy this type of words and make your description, and you have to set your affiliate link here. Okay, you have to set your affiliate link here. Just copy this link. Now here is on options. If you want to use direct affiliate link like this, okay, get, suppose, make an call to action like this: get more info here. Okay, now if you use this affiliate link directly, then you have to upgrade to premium. Okay, and if you want to upgrade to premium, then you have to pay $30 per month. Okay, if you have any invested money, then I obviously recommend you to make premium. Then you can make unlimited post. You can make unlimited post for free. Okay, you don't need to upgrade your premium. Okay, and for this you have to use a simple tricks. Just make a space. Okay, and inside the make a notebook, sorry, make a note, just delete the space and get the link. Okay, just make it, just delete the space, and everyone, if you make this note, then everyone will understand what you want to say. And you see here, get more info here, and you put your affiliate link, and you have to make an space, otherwise you have to make premium your account. But it doesn't matter if you are a newbie, if you don't have any money making opportunities, if you can't make any money, then don't need to upgrade your account. Just make a space here and make a short note, just delete the space and get the link. And when someone delete this space, they will get their affiliate link. Okay, and when they get you this, when they click the affiliate link, they will visit this page. Okay, and when you make sales, you can earn ClickBank commissions. Now, after setting your description, setting your title, you can add images, and you can make your own images. You can use any banner, any ads. It doesn't matter, it depends on you. Okay, now here is the price. You have to set a price, and you can get the price here. Initial conversion 26, it's the price of 50.58. Okay, 50, and you have to set for sales. Okay, you have to set for sales, and you see here in this place you will get 12,000 people at this specific niche, a specific title, a specific options. Okay, now it's another important thing, how many times you want to run your post. Okay, it's maybe 2 weeks, it may be 1 month, it may be no time limitation, and I recommend you put never. That means it will run or for a long time. Okay, and here is the subcategories. It doesn't matter, you don't need to put it, or you can put it. If you say the health and fitness related, baby and kids, freedom, gardening, health and beauty, okay, you can put health and beauty, the subcategory. And if you want to get the premium, then you have to pay monthly $29. And if you don't want to make on premium, then you can continue and make your post. Now I want to repeat on everything on more. At the first, you have to set your title, then you can add your images, then you have to write a short description, then add your affiliate link, get more info here, put your affiliate link and make a space here, and you have to note this specific order. Okay, and if you are a premium member, then you don't need to do it, you can use direct affiliate link, and set the price and set the categories for sale, set the subcategories, and make expire. Never your offer will run for a long time, for a lifetime. Okay, and set your location as your wish, and finally click the continue. And if you are a premium member, then you can make unlimited posts using direct affiliate link. And I recommend you, if you have a $30 investment ability, then make premium and get lifetime traffic. That's it. Now click the continue and make your post like this. You see here, it's my post, it's my post, and here is the affiliate link. When someone are interested to get it, then they copy this link and delete the space and get the affiliate link and visit this place, visit this sales space, and when someone makes sales, you make ClickBank commission. So guys, that's all the complete method. And if you like this method, then like it. If you have any question about this method, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. And if you are interested to make over 10,000 per month, if you want to build your online marketing, online business for a lifetime, then check my number one recommendation or check my video description. So guys, it's all the method. It's the simply copy paste method and make ClickBank commissions for 100% free. Just create your ClickBank account or DK Store account or Marketplace Market Health account, then get the affiliate link, make shorten your affiliate link, create account on clause.org and make post ads here like this and get traffic. That's all the process. So guys, see you soon in the next video. God bless you. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro.